Namaste. Today's recipe is onion paratha. So in this video I'm going to show how I'm preparing this onion paratha in a easy way. Here I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour and now I'm adding 1 big spoon of besan, that is gram flour powder. So now I'm adding the other ingredients like onion. Here I have used 2 onions, that is medium size. Then coriander leaves. We have to use coriander leaves little more we have to use. Then 2 chilies. So in dry spices I'm using little turmeric powder. Then salt as per taste we can add. Then little cumin seeds, half teaspoon like that you can use, and half teaspoon like mustard seeds also. Then little chili powder. And little this garam masala I am adding. You can skip this garam masala. You can even use chaat masala also you can use. Then 1 big spoon oil. So now we have to mix everything first. So now I am adding water and we have to make one soft dough. So like this we have to make a soft dough. Should not use more water. We have to use the water in batches. Like first I will wash my hand. So after cleaning your hand, just apply little oil like this and again knead this dough. So now it is not sticking that much. So you can see this dough is ready. Now we can make the paratha. So if you see it is looking more sticky, if you feel it is sticky like that, then you can sprinkle little wheat flour over this and again you can knead the dough. So now for making paratha we have to divide it into balls. You can make big size balls or small size. So you can see I have made 7 balls, that also big size only, with 2 cups of wheat flour. So now I will make the paratha. So like this we have to roll this paratha. So meanwhile I heat the tawa. So now apply little oil on both sides. So on low to medium flame you can cook this paratha. So one more I'm showing you. So like this, apply oil on both sides. So you can see one more paratha is ready. So like this we have to make all the parathas. So friends, you can see my onion paratha is ready. You can have this paratha with chutney and pickle or curd. Even with raita you can have this paratha. So if you like the recipe, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much friends. Take care.